Hey guys, my name's Ali and I'm from mealprep.com.au, an online resource to compare meal delivery services, find new recipes and learn how to hit your health and fitness goals. If you're looking for a keto provider, the most popular options are My Muscle Chef, Workout Meals, Foober and A-Life Plus. This week I'm giving A-Life Plus a go to see how this keto provider stacks up in its keto offering and whether some of the reviews online, both good and bad, are true. I've tried several ready-made meal providers, both keto and non-keto, including Food for Fitness, Macro, Solara, U-Foods, Cold Perform, Fitness Outcomes, Workout Meals and more. And I have to say, A-Life Plus is one of my favorite providers to date, especially in terms of the taste of the meals. A-Life Plus is known for its ketogenic meals, but it's also highly customizable and unique in its offering, with alkaline meals, NDIS meals, plant-based and organic meals on offer too. In this review, I'm going to be going over the things like the taste, what I liked, the ordering process, and what other customers have to say about A-Life Plus. Alright, let's jump into some of my initial reactions about the taste of the meals.
There were three standout meals for me: the barbecue pulled pork, coleslaw and pickled chilies, the Korean barbecue beef with sriracha cauliflower and cognac noodles, and the keto bacon cauliflower mac and cheese. They were all super tasty and left me feeling satiated. I didn't love the Thai red curry or the tuna niswa salad, both just kind of missed the mark for me in flavour.
So A-Life Plus is pretty customizable to your calorie goals as well as your food preferences. Whether you're gluten-free, dairy-free, or just don't like bacon, for example, you can mention that in your order and A-Life Plus will alter the meals to suit you. They also made my meals roughly 400 calories per meal after I specified that's what I wanted.
I ordered the 5-day keto diet meal plan of lunch and dinner, with each meal being 250 grams. It cost me $130, which equates to $13 per meal, which I was pretty happy with. When I ordered my meal via the website, I selected the ketogenic menu, but as mentioned, there's also an alkaline menu, NDIS menu, plant-based, organic, and even just a produce menu.
So I noted in my order that I'm gluten-free and dairy-free, but after I placed my order, I received an email from A-Life Plus asking more detailed questions about my diet and goals. They asked me to fill out my gender, age, height, weight, and my body fat percentage. They also asked my main goals and extra info about food allergies and workout regimes to really tailor the experience.
I told them I was looking to lose 5 kilos and wanted 400 calories per meal. After taking into consideration my body type and lifestyle, they built me a meal plan of around 1,230 calories with 94 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, and 70 grams of protein. I then made my own breakfast based on that and made sure it fit within these macros and calories. A-Life Plus has a very impressive menu with nearly 70 meals to choose from beef to chicken, fish to pork and lamb, vegetarian meals, and even 5 pizza dishes. Most meal providers offer anywhere from 30 to 50 meal choices and don't often offer things like pork and lamb, which are often overlooked in favour of cheaper meals.
Okay, so what are some of the pros and cons?
On the pro side of things, the meals were tasty and fresh, they were customisable to dietary needs and taste preferences, and I think the customer service was excellent. And the cons, well, being a smaller meal provider, the ordering process did take a little longer than bigger providers. Meanwhile, some customers have reported issues with missing meals from orders.
In terms of delivery is free for all orders above $50, which is a good deal because some providers stipulate a minimum of around $100 for food to qualify for free delivery, and some don't ever offer free delivery. A-Life Plus has a pretty good delivery radius across Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra, Brisbane and Adelaide, yet no delivery to Perth, Darwin or Tassie. Alright, so what do other customers say? Well, much like coriander, it appears you either love A-Life Plus or it isn't really your cup of tea.
Looking at customer reviews across platforms like mealprep.com.au, Reddit and Product Review, overall, people seem to really enjoy A-Life Plus, with taste of food, customization capabilities and good customer service the main selling points. The less than shiny review suggests the serving sizes are small, food is overly oily. To be fair, A-Life Plus is keto and keto food is high in fat, so that would make sense. And that it doesn't reheat that well.
Personally, A-Life Plus is one of my new favourite providers. I thought the taste of the dishes was a real standout and it actually felt and tasted like a really good home-cooked meal. And I did lose 800 grams, which is a pretty great result. With a highly customisable menu, great customer service and delivery across much of Australia, I would definitely recommend giving A-Life Plus a go. For my full written review of A-Life Plus, follow the link above me to mealprep.com.au. Thanks for watching and catch you next time.